Manual welding, MMA, also called stick welding, is a manual arc welding process that uses a consumable electrode covered with a flux to lay the weld. In stick welding, there are three main ingredients for achieving a quality weld. First is choosing the correct welding stick based on the weld material and using the correct welding parameters. Second is moving the stick at the correct angle and speed after an arc is formed. And third is keeping the arc in the correct length during the welding, as a too long arc will cause spatter. Welcome to Weld Education 2.0, brought to you by Cavitar.